Hello friends, welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to be in my baby girl's nursery. I'm going to be adding some finishing touches and just adding some things that I wanted to do. I am currently 31 weeks pregnant. It's so crazy to me that how fast this really flew by. Like honestly, it seriously seemed like the longest journey, but really the time just flew by and I can't even believe that she's going to be almost here. Our family is so excited for her. On my husband's side of the family, this is their first grandbaby, and I can't even imagine like what that's going to be like for his mom and his dad. They both don't have any grandkids, so they are so excited and have gotten us so many things. I've literally gotten like 4 bags of clothes already for her, and it's not even our baby shower yet. It's not till July 1st, so I have so many things already for her, and we're feeling extra grateful and blessed, and I just can't wait to see everything come together after the baby shower. They also purchased off our registry our stroller and car seat combo, which is a Nuna, if you guys have ever heard of it, and it's seriously so stinking cute, and I cannot wait to see it in person. So this item was actually given to me to try out on social media, and I love it. It holds all of her stuffed animals in a corner and just looks so cute, and I think it's good for people who don't have a lot of storage like in the room and can kind of make storage out of the wall, if that makes sense. But I think it really helps just kind of get things off the ground or like just make room for things. I have everything linked down in my description as far as her room or like accessories or things I've been given or anything like that, just to make sure it's easier for you guys to find. Including these products here, I have a bottle warmer and then a bottle sterilizer and then a carrier for baby as well, and I was given these also, which I'm super grateful for, because I had quite a few of these items that I was given on my registry, including one of my newest additions, which is her camera for her nursery, like above her crib. And that is my next video. I'm going to be sharing you guys a baby monitor that was given to me, and it's literally the best thing on planet Earth, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys because it is seriously like the coolest gadget I've ever owned, and I'm just so excited to use it. So after her clothes were all clean, I took them out of the dryer and started folding and putting away. I took the time to figure out what sizes were what, to figure out what she's going to be able to wear right away, what's going to be a little too big for her, and stuff I can put in storage or separate for now, things I can hang up versus has to go in her dresser. This one here is actually a Star Wars crib sheet, and it's literally so freaking cute. I love it. But yeah, I'm just going to organize all her clothes. Whatever I have left that she can't really wear right away, I'm going to put into like a rubber storage bin, like a tub, and then I'm going to store up in our storage closet upstairs in my beauty room. excited because I just got a package. It's a big old package. It is for my baby shower. I ordered some fancy, like, pink glasses for the shower. I'm excited to see what they look like and show you guys what they look like. So these are actually for my baby shower, which is coming up soon, like next month. And they package them very nicely, which I'm very happy about. But they bubble wrapped individually and then have like their own little slot. And I ordered, I believe 48 of them. It was $100, so they are kind of expensive, but I think they are so cute. Like, perfect for that like high tea, very girly vibe. I don't know. I just think that would be perfect for what the vibe is of our baby shower. Alright guys, that is everything that I wanted to tackle in this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I absolutely love sharing this type of footage with you guys and preparing for baby girl's arrival. I cannot wait until she is here and be able to share her with you guys. I'm feeling so blessed and thankful and just so excited for her to be here. I can't even believe I'm a mom. Like, I still can't believe it. But she is going to be here before we know it. I'm only a couple weeks away and I'm just so excited to meet her. So if you guys are interested in watching future videos, make sure you guys subscribe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!